Have you ever walked into Dollar Tree and thought, this could never help my garden? Well, today I'm about to completely change that perspective. You're about to see some soil secrets that most gardeners overlook. And guess what? You can find them sitting right on those shelves, waiting to transform your garden this spring. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to look at Dollar Tree in a whole new way, and your garden will thank you. Hey there, I'm Your Name, and welcome back to Garden Homes, the place where we make gardening smarter, cheaper, and way more fun without sacrificing results. If you love turning ordinary tools and supplies into extraordinary garden hacks, you're in the right spot. Before we dive into the soil magic, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you won't miss out on any of our seasonal tips. And hey, if you enjoy videos that save your money while giving your garden a glow up, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below letting me know which hack you're most excited to try. Your interaction helps me bring you even more of these hidden gardening gems. Number 1, let's talk about something you probably walk past without a second thought: plain old coffee filters. I know it sounds too simple, but hear me out. These little sheets can actually do wonders for your garden soil. Place them at the bottom of pots before adding soil, and suddenly your soil drains better, your roots stay healthier, and you avoid that soggy, drowning plant situation we've all faced. It's like giving your plants a little comfy mattress for their roots. Now, the real beauty is how this also keeps pests in check. Coffee filters act as a barrier that prevents soil from splashing onto leaves when you water, which can reduce the chance of fungal growth. And for those of you who compost, these filters are biodegradable, so you're helping your garden and the environment at the same time. Double win. Here's a little pro tip. If you've got seeds that are just starting out, fold the filter over a bit, place the seeds inside, and lightly moisten. You've basically created a mini greenhouse. It keeps the seeds cozy, helps retain moisture, and speeds up germination. Your little sprouts will thank you. And the best part, Dollar Tree usually sells these in packs of dozens, so you're not just saving money. You're stocking up on a reusable garden hack that actually works. Next time you're there, grab a pack or two, because once you try this, you'll start wondering how you ever gardened without them. Number 2. This one might surprise you. Kitchen sponge scraps. Yes, those little pieces you were about to throw away can actually make a huge difference for your garden soil. Tear them into small bits and mix them into your potting soil or garden beds. What happens next is pure magic. These sponges act like tiny water reservoirs, holding moisture for your plants and slowly releasing it when your soil starts to dry out. Your plants stay hydrated longer, especially during those hot spring days when watering feels endless. But it doesn't stop there. These sponge bits also improve soil aeration. Crumbled into the soil, they create tiny air pockets, giving roots more room to breathe. Healthier roots mean stronger plants, more vibrant leaves, and eventually bigger blooms or fruit. Think of it as giving your plants a breath of fresh air, literally. A little trick I love is, if you're starting seeds in small containers, place a sponge piece at the bottom. It prevents waterlogging while ensuring the soil above stays evenly moist. It's a simple, low-cost way to give young seedlings the perfect environment to thrive. You'll notice fewer droopy leaves and happier, stronger sprouts in no time. And here's the kicker. Dollar Tree sells these sponges for next to nothing, and one pack lasts way longer than you'd expect. Instead of tossing old sponges, repurpose them and watch your soil transform. Seriously, it's like giving your garden a secret weapon that no one else thinks about. But now you know. Number 3. This one is all about tea bags. Yep, those little sachets you sip your morning tea from can do wonders for your garden soil. Start by saving used, unflavored tea bags and gently tear them open before sprinkling the leaves into your pots or garden beds. These leaves are packed with nutrients like nitrogen, which your plants love, and they naturally enrich the soil without any chemical fertilizers. It's like giving your garden a gentle, slow-release vitamin boost. Now, if you're worried about soggy soil or mess, don't be. The paper from the tea bag breaks down over time, adding organic matter while helping retain moisture. Perfect for keeping soil healthy and roots happy. Plus, if you've got clay-heavy soil, adding these leaves can improve texture and make it much easier to work with. You'll start to notice your plants standing taller, leaves looking greener, and flowers blooming with more energy. Here's a little pro tip. For seedlings or delicate plants, Mix the tea leaves directly into the top layer of soil. They act as a natural mulch, helping retain moisture and even keep some pests away. It's a gentle, eco-friendly way to care for your plants while making use of something you'd normally throw away. And the best part? Dollar Tree sells both tea bags and loose tea for pennies, so you can stock up without spending a fortune. Who knew that something so simple and familiar could actually be a hidden gem for your garden? Once you try this, you'll start seeing your morning tea in a whole new garden-friendly light.
Number 4. This one is a real game changer. Egg cartons. Don't toss those cardboard egg cartons after breakfast. They're a surprisingly powerful tool for your garden soil. Tear them into small pieces and mix them into your pots or raised beds. The cardboard naturally breaks down, adding organic matter that improves soil structure, increases aeration, and even helps with water retention. It's like giving your soil a soft, nourishing upgrade for almost zero cost. But here's the part people often miss. These egg carton bits also attract earthworms. Yes, those little garden helpers that secretly make your soil richer and more fertile. More worms mean better soil turnover, which means healthier plants with stronger roots. It's nature's own little cycle, and you're basically kickstarting it with something that would have been garbage. Pro tip, for seedlings, use a piece of egg carton at the bottom of small pots or trays. It helps with drainage while slowly releasing nutrients as it breaks down. Your young plants will have the perfect start without any extra effort on your part. And the absolute best thing, Dollar Tree often has multi-packs of these cartons for just a couple of dollars, so you can stock up and keep your garden thriving all season long. Once you see how your soil responds, you'll never look at a cardboard egg carton the same way again. It's cheap, simple, and unbelievably effective. A true hidden gem for your spring garden. If you're enjoying these hidden garden hacks so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me know you want more tips like these. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know which Dollar Tree hack has surprised you the most so far. I love reading your experiences and seeing how these simple tricks are transforming your gardens. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming spring gardening secrets. Trust me, the next hacks I'm about to share are going to completely change the way you look at your garden supplies, and you'll want to be here for every single one. Number 6. This one might make you do a double take. Shredded newspaper. Yes, the very same newspaper you might toss after reading the headlines can actually work wonders for your soil. Tear it into small strips or crumple it up and mix it into your garden beds or pots. It acts as a natural mulch, helping soil retain moisture, suppress weeds, and slowly break down into organic matter that enriches your soil. Think of it as giving your plants a cozy blanket that also feeds them over time. Here's the bonus most people don't realize. Shredded newspaper also encourages beneficial microbes in the soil to thrive. Those microbes help break down organic matter, improve soil structure, and make nutrients more available to your plants. In other words, your garden is working smarter, not harder, all thanks to something you were about to throw away. Pro tip, if you're starting seeds, place a thin layer of shredded newspaper on top of the soil. It keeps the soil moist without suffocating the seedlings, and it gradually disappears as your plants grow. You'll notice stronger, healthier seedlings that are ready to take on the season. And the best part? Dollar Tree sells newspapers and other paper products for almost nothing, so you're giving your garden a powerful boost without spending a dime on fancy soil amendments. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly effective. A hack that's as easy as it is brilliant. Number 7. This final one is a real hidden gem. Cotton balls. I know, it sounds a little unusual, but hear me out. Those plain cotton balls that you see at Dollar Tree can actually help with soil aeration and moisture retention, especially in small pots or seed starting trays. Just tear them into smaller pieces and gently mix them into your soil. They hold just enough water to keep roots happy without turning your soil into a swamp. It's like giving your soil a soft, nourishing upgrade for almost zero cost. A little extra tip, if you lightly dampen the cotton balls before adding them, they act as mini moisture sponges for young seeds, helping them sprout evenly and giving your plants the perfect start. You'll see stronger growth and healthier leaves without extra fuss. And just like the other hacks, Dollar Tree makes this ridiculously affordable. You can grab a whole bag for just a couple of dollars, repurpose them in your garden, and suddenly you've got a hidden tool that feels like a professional gardener's secret, but now it's yours. Simple, cheap, and surprisingly effective. Number 8. Plastic bottle caps. You might not think that tiny plastic bottle caps could make a difference in your garden, but they actually do wonders. Placing a few at the bottom of your pots or planters before adding soil creates a simple drainage layer. This keeps water from pooling at the roots, which is one of the main causes of droopy, struggling plants. It's a hack that's so simple, yet it prevents one of the most common gardening mistakes. But it's not just about drainage. These caps also help with soil aeration. By leaving tiny pockets under the soil, they give roots a little breathing room, which encourages healthier growth. Over time, plants that might have struggled in soggy pots suddenly start to thrive. You'll notice leaves looking perkier, stems stronger, and flowers or veggies developing more vibrantly. Here's another fun tip. If you have multiple pots, collect caps in different sizes and layer them creatively at the bottom. Larger caps for bigger pots, smaller ones for tiny containers. It's a low-cost, customizable solution that fits almost any planter. Plus, reusing these caps keeps them out of the trash, so it's an eco-friendly win for your garden too. Dollar Tree usually sells these packs for next to nothing, which means you can stock up without breaking the bank. And because they're lightweight and reusable, they're perfect for gardeners who like to experiment with different container setups. Honestly, once you see how well this works, you'll start spotting every cap as a potential little hero for your plants. Finally, the best part is the results are almost instant. Healthy roots mean stronger plants, better blooms, and a garden that feels like it's been upgraded without spending a fortune. Sometimes the smallest, simplest items really do make the biggest difference, and bottle caps are a perfect example of that. Number 9. Baking soda. Baking soda isn't just for your kitchen, it's actually a secret weapon for your garden soil. A light sprinkle around the base of acid-loving plants like tomatoes or roses can help balance soil pH and create a healthier environment for roots. This simple trick keeps plants happy and can prevent common problems like yellowing leaves or stunted growth. It's a budget-friendly way to give your soil a subtle, natural boost. But there's more. Baking soda also has mild antifungal properties, which makes it great for preventing powdery mildew and other fungal issues on leaves. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, a gentle application can protect your plants and keep them looking vibrant. It's like giving your garden a little shield while staying completely natural and safe. Here's a pro tip. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a quart of water and lightly spray it on leaves during the early morning or late afternoon. This gives your plants protection without burning the leaves and works best on plants that are prone to mildew. You'll notice healthier foliage and stronger growth with minimal effort. Dollar Tree sells baking soda in convenient, inexpensive packages, so you can stock up without spending much. It's one of those hacks that's simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective, making it perfect for gardeners who love smart, low-cost solutions. Finally, baking soda is versatile too. You can sprinkle it in soil, mix it with water for a gentle foliar spray, or even use it to help seeds germinate by slightly altering soil conditions. It's a hidden gem that many gardeners overlook, but once you try it, you'll see why it deserves a permanent spot in your spring gardening toolkit. Number 10. Cotton swabs. This final hack might sound a little unusual, but cotton swabs can actually make a big difference, especially when you're starting seeds or working with delicate plants. Cut a cotton swab in half, lightly dampen it, and place it under seeds in small trays or pots. It acts as a mini moisture sponge, keeping the soil consistently damp without overwatering. This simple trick gives your seedlings a much better start and reduces the stress of uneven watering. But cotton swabs do more than just help with moisture. They also improve air circulation around the base of tiny seedlings. By gently lifting the seeds off direct contact with overly compact soil, they help roots breathe and grow stronger. Healthier roots mean stronger plants, and you'll notice your seedlings thriving faster than with traditional methods. Here's a pro tip. Use cotton swabs in combination with a light sprinkle of coffee grounds or tea leaves. This creates a mini nutrient-rich microenvironment for your seedlings, giving them a gentle boost without overwhelming them. It's a creative, low-cost way to combine multiple Dollar Tree soil secrets for maximum impact. Dollar Tree sells cotton swabs in packs that last forever,
And because they're so cheap, you can experiment without worrying about cost. Repurposing these little tools in your garden feels a bit like discovering a secret hack that professional gardeners might keep to themselves. But now it's yours.
Finally, once your seedlings go stronger with this trick, you'll notice less transplant shock and better survival rates when moving them to bigger pots or outdoor beds. It's a tiny change that makes a huge difference, proving that sometimes the simplest, most unexpected items really do become game changers in your garden. And there you have it, 10 unbelievable Dollar Tree soil secrets that can completely transform your garden this spring. From coffee filters and sponges to baking soda and cotton swabs, these are simple, budget-friendly hacks that give your plants exactly what they need to thrive. Who knew that everyday items could have such a huge impact on your garden? Now it's your turn. Try out one or two of these hacks and see the results for yourself. I'd love to hear which ones surprised you the most, or if you've discovered any other hidden garden gems along the way. Drop a comment below and share your experience. I read every single one, and your ideas might even inspire other gardeners in our community. If you enjoyed this video and want more creative, affordable gardening tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to try these hacks in your own garden. Remember, sometimes the simplest, most unexpected things can make your garden absolutely bloom. You don't need expensive tools or fancy soil amendments, just a little creativity, a few everyday items, and a bit of love for your plants. Thanks for watching, keep experimenting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one with even more clever money-saving garden hacks.